Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. I am Demil Hafiz. So my assigned topic is consideration, laws and regulation. This is covered under PSA 250. So consideration of laws and regulation in an audit of financial statement. In this regard, we have to consider the types of laws and regulation that could affect our clients' operations and financial reporting. So, as for the types of laws and regulations that could affect our clients, we have the first type, the direct effect. Direct effect amounts and disclosures as a result of compliance reported on financial statement. So these laws and regulation can result to non-compliance, can result to amounts or disclosure that are reported in the financial statement of an client. So example are tax laws and regulations, and pension laws and regulations to non-compliance. To those type of laws and regulation can have a direct impact of the financial statement or the amounts and disclosure reported on the financial statement of our clients. And second types of laws and regulations are indirect effect. Indirect effect relates primarily to operations of the entity but does not have a direct effect on an entity's financial statements. However, non-compliance may result in fines, litigations, or other consequences for the entity that may have a material effect on the financial statement. So this effect will not have a direct effect on the entity's financial statement, but they affect the operations or the other aspect of the entity's business. Assessing the possibility of non-compliance. Non-compliance refers to acts of omissions or commission by the entity, either intentional or unintentional, which are contrary to prevailing laws or regulations. So this non-compliance are omission or commission of an entity that are contrary to the prevailing laws and regulations. So non-compliance, as the client is concerned, this is a source of the business risk. and also the source of business risk required understandings of auditor, generally understanding only. So the required understanding on our part is general understanding only, meaning to say we are not required to have a total comprehensive understanding of laws and regulations applicable to our clients. So we should have a general understanding about laws and regulations that could affect the financial reporting. Responsibilities of auditor. The responsibilities of auditor. So responsibilities of auditor have to consider the effect of non-compliance to their financial statement. To assess the effect on the financial statement, if material, must be reflected on the financial statement. If immaterial, consider the impact on the other aspect of the audit. Integrity of management legal effect. If management does not take remedial action, consider withdrawing as legal service. Indicators of non-compliance. Payments of unspecified service or loans to lawyers, consultants, related parties, or government officials. Payments for goods or services to a country other than where the goods, services originated. Purchases sale at significantly higher or lower market price. Commissions, fees beyond the reasonable amount that is ordinarily paid for those type of transaction. Audit procedure non-compliance. use of existing understanding. This means to understand the existing laws and regulations applicable to the entity in understanding the situation that might cause possible non-compliance. Using of existing understanding, inquiry of management concerning entity policies and procedure regarding compliance with laws and regulations. As to the laws or regulation that may be expected to affect entity operation, discussion with management, the policies and procedures adopted to identify, evaluate and account for litigation claims and assessments, discussion of legal and regulatory framework with auditors of subsidiaries in other geographical area or segment. Reporting of identified or suspected non-compliance. The auditor shall consider reporting identified or suspected non-compliance to those charged with governance in the auditor's report to regulatory and enforcement authorities.